Hello everyone, it's Mark Shalero, the owner of MS Classic Cars, and I truly appreciate your interest. MS Classic Cars has something for everyone. We take great pride in collecting number 1 and number 2 condition, show quality inventory. All of our vehicles are completely serviced, which is documented with an invoice. These vehicles all need to be sorted out, and that's what we do so the new owner does not have to. We also detail all of our vehicles to the highest standards so they are ready for you to enjoy. Please check out our website at msclassiccars.com, sign up for our VIP newsletter, and please follow us on social media. We look forward to earning your business. Always remember to keep it classic and rock and roll.